Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Tea Leaves here to bring our daily market bias video for Monday, January 14th. It's approximately 4:30 a.m. on the East Coast. Here we take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly to the downside with the exception of the Japanese Nikkei exchange, which is trading higher at this particular time. Currently, right now in Europe, and its current ongoing, Europe is open trading. All of Europe is trading to the downside. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands. US dollar is trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long. Crude is trading lower as well. There is no correlation between US dollar and crude as of this broadcast. The bonds, however, are trading higher. And the S&P, Nasdaq, Dow Jones Industrial Average are all pointing to a lower open. Gold is trading higher at this particular hour. Now, in terms of economic news, we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets. There isn't any for the U.S. markets. Hence, we don't have any economic news that could drive the markets one way or the other. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting a neutral bias is because we're not necessarily seeing a lot of correlation as we should see. For example, the indices are all pointing lower. However, the U.S. dollar is pointing lower, and in theory, if it was correlated, the U.S. dollar would be pointing higher, much higher, in fact. That's not happening right now. Hence the neutral bias, which means the markets could go in any direction today. It could very well be a scenario whereby it starts off low, it goes lower, and then at some point during the day pops higher. So that could very well be the likelihood of what happens today. But again, time will tell. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.